South India, Lakshmi Narayana temple, Tirupati Balaji temple, Radha Krishna temple. Jana ke Radha Rani bolte. So today the opportunity is there. Today is an opportunity we can explain who is Radha Rani. So this shloka is composed by Rupa Goswami. It explains something. It says Radha Krishna Pranaya. Radhini Shakti Asmi. Radharani is Krishna Pranaya. She is the life of Krishna. Very dear to Krishna. And Radhini Shakti Asmi. She is not an ordinary energy. She is Radhini Shakti. Radhini Shakti, internal energy of the Lord. Just like now, how to understand this? First line is till you understand, your life will be successful. And this, nobody has taught it so first time. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu taught long time ago. Only in the Prabhupada follows this knowledge you can get. See, we understand that Astu Jana, so many big people are there in India. Like Gautam Buddha, Bharat Maharaj, so many great people. They gave up all the Bhautika Sukha to understand Krishna. Astu Jana, Dodda Acharya, Dodda Raja, Alla Vidivad. They gave everything just to get attached to Krishna, just to taste some pleasure of Krishna. So Krishna, first thing we should understand is that material pleasures are not everything. And in India we can know that because so many people have sacrificed all material pleasures just to get spiritual pleasure. Yeah. And Radharani, Krishna is so great there. To understand Krishna, what all tapasya people do, what all sacrifices people do. If you go to Vrindavan, you will see people are circumambulating Govardhan. And some people are circumambulating it, by Dandavat, some people are walking around 28. Like there are different kind of tapasya. Some people every day get down in the morning and chanting. Finally, our goal is to please Krishna. And Radharani is so great. Krishna is trying to please. Whole world is trying to please Krishna. But today we cannot see Krishna in the sense that we cannot directly offer service to Krishna. Therefore, deities are there. We should never think that deity is anyway less than Krishna. Therefore, these things are very absolute, and these things should be very carefully taken care of. The deities, the Guru, the Shastra, the Prasada, we cannot make a joke out of it. Then it's all rubbish remaining, just like our practice of Vedic culture today, all diving. These are the objects of, these are the giver of mercy. So when you are worshipping Radha Krishna, we are not worshipping just some statues. Krishna himself is there. And whenever we offer service Krishna with love, Krishna is personally present and Radha Krishna personally present. Therefore today's day, Radharani is very merciful. I try to explain it this way. See, Krishna is so great that to reach Krishna, it is very difficult. Manushyanam sahasreshu kashyat yadati siddhaye yatatam api siddhanam kashyam mam vedi tatatam. Bhagavad Gita ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಮನುಷ್ಯಾನಾಂ ಸಹಸ್ರೇಷು ಅಷ್ಟು ಕೋಟಿ ಜನ ಇದೆ ಕಶ್ಯನ್ ಯದತಿ ಸಿದ್ಧೇ ವೆರಿ ರೇರ್ ತುಂಬಾ ರೇರ್ ಜನ ಜೀವನ್ ಸಿದ್ಧ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸಂಸಾರ ಇದೆ ವೈರಾಗ್ಯ ಉತ್ಪನ್ನ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಇದು ಆತ್ಮದ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಇದು ಸಿದ್ಧ ಪುರುಷ. ಯತತಾಮಪಿ ಸಿದ್ಧಾನ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೋಟಿ ಕೋಟಿ ಸಿದ್ಧ ಪುರುಷ ಅದೇ ಕಶ್ಚಿನ್ ಮಾಂ ವೇತಿ ತತ್ವತ, ಮಂಜಿನ ಕೃಷ್ಣಕ್ಕೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಗೊತ್ತದೆ. ಬಹಳ ದುರ್ಲಭ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಜ್ಞಾನ, ಸುಲಭ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಥಿಯರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಬೇಡ, ವಾಸ್ತವಿಕ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಕೃಷ್ಣಗೆ ದರ್ಶನ ಬಹಳ ಬಹಳ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್. It's like to meet your Prime Minister of India is very rare. This is you want to meet, go meet. That's too crowded, you know. The same way, just like Tirupati, you go now, Dashera. Some students are telling you, sir, take Dashera and go. Brahmosama, you have to wait 2 days for Dashera. And I said, you go, I can't take, because I'm not going to do anything. Example. That is Lord Himself. So, it is not easy to get attention of Krishna, to understand Krishna, to realize Krishna. It is very rare, very, very rare to catch Krishna's attention. Prabhupada used to say, don't try to see Krishna. Do something that Krishna can see. Okay? So, this much is understood. It is very, very difficult actually to get attention of Krishna. Very difficult. But there is one shortcut way. What? If you do something which is pleases to Krishna, I give you an example. Suppose you want to meet Obama. Take an example. I'm not saying it is worthy of mention such people, useless people, but giving an example. You want to meet President of America. First thing, you have to get visa for America, which is not easy. Correct? Mostly it is rejected. You go and see the Q embassy. And then after that, in the Q, you reach America to get appointment, it is impossible for you. But there is a very simple thing to do. And so much expenditure also. You may not have money to go to America. Correct? But there is a very simple one. You do something so special that he wants to see. Then, if he wants to see it, is very easy. Is private aircraft will come. Not only when he comes to meet you, even Indian Prime Minister will come, everybody will come, Chief Minister, all entourage will come. You don't have to run around to get visa, passport, nothing. Everything will be taken care of. You just say, he will come by evening. All arrangements will be done. Yeah? So if you want to see Krishna on your own way, it is like going to America, walking, even without effort is this much. You have to walk and go till Europe, go Pakistan, Afghanistan, or you can Egypt, Europe, and then jump into water, then swim across, then reach the country, and then guards are sitting, will kick you, and then you have to reach, and all the way you have to run through the boundaries. You will not get permission, and so many dangerous countries are there nowadays on the way, Afghanistan, Syria. And then reaching, they will throw you out, they may arrest you, then you have to run, somehow reach the palace and somehow meet him. Almost impossible. If you want to do like this, suppose you have no money, okay, what you will do? You will do all this effort? Do you think it is humanly possible? Same way you cannot see Krishna. If you on your own effort, Pantast koti satavasara sampragamyo Vayo ratavi manaso munipongavana. Just now they sang Brahma Samhita. My desire is all of you should just practice Brahma Samhita so we can chant together. But repeat it takes a lot of time. Particularly weekdays, festival we have very short time. Okay? Everybody should practice few times so we can together chant. We will not cram it, that's the greatest. At least we can read it together. Okay? So it says, you can travel with the speed of any speed you can imagine. Speed of mind, the speed of air. Still for crores of years you cannot reach Krishna. Reaching Krishna is so... Reaching, I told you, even Prime Ministerly or Presidentially impossible for you. How will you reach Krishna? Isn't it difficult? But if you do something that pleases Krishna, then you can see Krishna in himself. Krishna will not need time. Obama needs, President of America needs some time. Krishna does not in 1 second. He will appear before 1 second. It's so fast. Krishna is there so far away. He is there in Goloka. Trillions and trillions, and you cannot even know the position. But Krishna can appear in less than a second. And what to say Krishna can appear is everywhere. And they are sitting in their heart also, he is everywhere. So Krishna, but he is not visible to us today. From the great devotees, Krishna is visible everywhere. And so what we should do? That is called pure devotional service. Service to Krishna without any personal motivation. If you offer that, little, Krishna is so, even small, Krishna is so, therefore Krishna is so great. Even little service you offer to Krishna, Krishna will take notice of that. You take 1 step, Krishna will take 10 steps. He will immediately take 10 steps. Now, the symbol of pure devotion service is Radharani. The highest devotee is Radharani. If you look at her face, she is completely filled with unlimited enthusiasm to serve Krishna. And so much she attracts Krishna because of pure service. Correct? Even any individual. Suppose you want to understand Krishna, you can analyze yourself because you are a sample of Krishna, part and parcel. But like a drop in the ocean, there is no comparison in quantity and quality. Anybody you offer some service, he becomes so pleased. Correct? Won't Krishna be pleased? Definitely. But the greatest devotee Krishna has is Radharani. Now who is this Radharani? Radharani is not different from Krishna. It is Krishna's Shakti, Radhini Shakti. So that's why it is saying Radha Krishna Pranaya Vikriti Radhini Shakti Asma. And then what is that? Ekvatvam Abhibhuvi. It is Eka. It is not two. Just like how to understand it is one. Just like sun and sunshine. Can you separate sunshine from the sun? There is no meaning in sun. Correct? They are inseparable. Krishna and Radharani are inseparable. Deha Vedam Gato. So, but Radha Krishna is like Krishna separating himself. His internal potency, he has many potencies. Internal potency, pleasure potency separated from Krishna is Radharani. But what happens in Lord Chaitanya's incarnation? Prakata Madhuna Tav Dvayam Jaya Ekam. It becomes again one. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, sometimes Krishna wonders how Radharani is so attached to him. What is so special about him? That is incarnation Lord Chaitanya. That's another confidential form of the Lord. Generally not known in South India. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is well known in North India, South India. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is non-different from Krishna. Krishna separates himself into two, that is Radha and Krishna, and then again combined together, there is Lord Chaitanya. Lord Chaitanya is Krishna trying to taste the devotion that Radharani has. She is so devoted, sometimes Krishna wonders, what is so special about me? So he takes a role of Radharani to appreciate himself. That is the incarnation of Lord Chaitanya. Radha Bhava Duti Swalitam Nama Krishna Swarupa. He said, I go down to Lord Chaitanya. This is Lord Chaitanya showed one form which is called Shadabhuja form. Where you can see there is Lord Rama, the greenish form. This is the Radharani. You can see this, holding one kamandalu and a stick. And here is Krishna holding the stick. This is showing Radha Krishna are one. Another. Some pictures I was seeing show the Radha Krishna are not different, actually it is not. And this is the incarnation of Lord Chaitanya, which is presented by Srila Prabhupada. We have so many books, right from the time Lord Chaitanya appeared, giving the essence of Lord Chaitanya's life. So actually today, what we can do, when we have this final arti, we can sing this song. I'll just explain the song and all of us can sing together. Is it clear? In brief, I told you, Radharani is Krishna's energy. She is the most exalted devotee of Krishna. She is very, very merciful. In fact, Prabhupada used to say, therefore in Vrindavan, many of your people have gone to Vrindavan, many people have gone. They say, Radhe Radhe. Right? Because they know Radharani is the queen of Vrindavan. If we satisfy her, Krishna has to accept. Okay? And what is her position? She is very, very merciful. She is the topmost devotee. Mahabhava. In Mahabhava stage, which is very advanced stage in spiritual life, she has a privilege of being the topmost devotee. And whenever you go to her and say, can you offer this to Krishna? She naturally feels, not artificially, here a great devotee is coming. I am not a devotee, he is a great devotee. And she recommends you to Krishna. And that's such a great devotee came, he gave some flowers for it. So therefore devotee offered through Radharani. And Krishna is so much pleased by devotions of the Radharani, immediately accepts that devotee on her recommendation. Recommendation works. Government office recommendation works. Spiritual road also recommendation works. So devotee is over intelligent, the goals of Radharani. Okay? So try to understand that. But directly understand Krishna is impossible. But if you go through Radharani, it is very easy. Therefore, those who are intelligent, they worship Radha Krishna. They never worship Krishna alone actually. They worship Radha Krishna together. Because through Radharani they go to Krishna. Therefore, even the Hare Krishna mantra, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare refers to Radharani. You are going to Krishna through, always do that. Lakshmi Narayana, Sita Ram. You go through the topmost devotee to Krishna. You cannot go directly. No entry. Just like you want to go to big person, you have to go through secretary. Correct? Directly is not allowed. So Krishna you cannot go directly. Not allowed. You have to go through. Then it is very easy. On your own way, the same effort you can take. You go to America without money. You have to walk on. You will not survive. You will die somewhere on the way, they will cut your head. I know people are there. Correct? The day by day increasing. Kali is increasing. Crazy people are increasing. But if you want to reach, if the President of America wants to reach you, very easy. Same way, if you want to reach Krishna on your own, impossible. You cannot reach. 300 years of science, they not even understood Atma. What they will understand Paramatma. And then what they will understand Krishna, impossible. When they will understand there is a Lord's sweet pastime of going in Goloka, you cannot understand by your experimental knowledge. The only way you can understand is by Shruti, by hearing from authorities. For things which are beyond your perception, you should not foolishly try to use your senses. Yeah? Just like I want to know what is happening in Syria, how can I know? I have to accept an authority of a magazine or newspaper. You want to know what is happening in Goloka and you want to say, I want to see first. Fool. You can't even see this. What you will see there? You have to accept an authority. Correct? So accept the authority we are doing anyway. But unfortunately, we hesitate to accept authority. And these authorities are perfect. These all people cheat also. Your news agencies sometimes they cheat also. But these authorities are bodies. Somebody told Srila Prabhupada, Swamiji, these Vedas are written by man only. Prabhupada said, yes, but not a man like you. Veda Vyasa, incarnation of Apaurushaya. So these are perfect literatures which are giving us an access to the Lord's sweetest of pastime. And the most exalted of Lord's pastime is Radha Krishna pastime. Try to understand it another way. See, just like you take any big man, big rich man, do you think he is doing anything? He is not doing anything. He has so many ದೊಡ್ಡ ಜನ ನೋಡಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಇಲ್ಲ, ತುಂಬಾ ಆರಾಮ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಕೊಡಿ ಇದು ಕೊಡಿ ಇದು ಕೊಡಿ, ಮಜಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ತುಂಬಾ ಮಜಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೆಲಸ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಇಲ್ಲ, therefore ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ರಾಧಾರಾಣಿ ಇದೆ, correct? He is only enjoying. But he does not enjoy like us. He is Parabrahma. See, just by meditating on Krishna, we become free of material desires. How can Krishna be tinged with any material desire? Great yogis, when they see lotus feet of Krishna, first thing to reach Krishna, we have to kick all material desires. You cannot maintain one material desire and go to Krishna. Therefore, great yogis, swamis, they leave everything. Allah, they leave. Correct? You have to kick everything if you want to reach Krishna. So because Krishna is supremely pure. So what is Krishna doing? So Krishna cannot have anything material, because just by looking at Krishna you forget material. Krishna is fully pure, purely spiritual, and his pleasure is also completely spiritual. He is Swaraj. He is independent. So when he wants to enjoy his own energy, he is enjoying. That is Radha. So in this way also you can understand Krishna's pleasure is completely spiritual. And she is the topmost devotee of the Lord, always a rise of full of love for Krishna, pure love. Here also devotee, maybe some kind of devotee. She is the most exalted. Therefore Prabhupada says we should chant this and just explain this. Radhe Jaya Jaya Madhava
Radhe Jaya Jaya Madhava
Gokula Taruni Mandala Mahite
Gokula Taruni Mandala Mahite
Radhe Jaya Jaya
Radhe Jaya Jaya Madhava.
So Radhe Jaya Jaya Madhava, you are so dear to Krishna. Gokula Taruni, among the girls of Vrindavana, Gokula, Mandala, in that thing, you are the Mahite. You are most glorious. You are the chief. You are the queen among the all the people of Vrindavana. Therefore Vrindavana, Radharani is called queen. Damodar Rati Vardhana Vesha. To increase attachment of Damodara. Who is Damodara? Krishna. Vardhana Vesha. To increase. Vardhana means to increase. You dress yourself every day in such a way to increase attachment of Krishna. Affection of Krishna, love of Krishna. Hari Nishkruta Vrinda Vipinesha. You are the pleasure of Hari, another name of Krishna. And Vrinda Vipinesha. Isha. Isha means you are the head. Vrishibhano Udani. You are born to Vrishibhanu. Basically, this is symbolically said. You come out of the ocean of Vrishibhanu. You are born to Vrishibhanu. Navashashi Lekhe. And then Lalita Shaki Guna Ramita Vishaki. Lalita and Vishaka, they are very dear to you. Ramita, you give so much pleasure to Vishaka, and your qualities are so sweet. Lalita Saki, your another friend is Lalita. And then he says, Karuna Kurumai, give me Karuna, give me mercy. Praying to Radharani. Karuna Bharite, why? You're full of Karuna, please be merciful to me. We are all suffering in the material existence, and in the ocean of sense gratification, we are thrown deep. Actually, if you honestly see, our condition is hopeless. If you are honest. Deep down in Rajoguna, Tamoguna, somewhere in a huge ocean, somebody throws you at the bottom. That is our condition. And we are desiring to taste love of Krishna. Full of pleasure. Correct? At least born in India, Allah janage gota. Krishna prema hai to estu ananda hai. Pure adhyatmika ananda. And the bhautik ananda we are stuck with. Condition is hopeless. We can never come and taste that. Correct? When Krishna disappeared from Rasalila, when the gopis are looking everywhere, what intense love of Krishna they were having in separation. Prabhupada says, never say I have seen Radharani, I have seen Krishna. Never say like that. Always say, where is Krishna? Just like gopis are searching for Krishna. Where is Krishna? And they saw the trees and they're thinking the trees are bending down in love of Krishna and honey is oozing from them in love of Krishna. Such we can't even imagine their transcendental creation. Where they are in pure love of Krishna and where are we? Correct? So there is no hope actually that we can ever reach. So we need mercy. When you understand this situation, then you look for mercy. If you think you can reach Krishna, then why mercy? Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Reach, no? Not move 1 inch. Prabhupada says our movement is a mercy. And the greatest merciful personality is if you approach her, she will definitely grant you some. And today is her day, Radhashtami day. So my request to all of you is that many of you are chanting Hare Krishna, please make it a daily practice. Prabhupada Acharya's Adesha is there, we should chant 16 rounds. So don't make midway this way, this way. There is only one way, Acharya. Acharya's order is, don't make half, I'll chant. Chant 16. Acharya Adesha, why delay, why laziness? Because you can taste love of Krishna one day. By the mercy of Guru, you can reach Radharani. By the mercy of Radharani, you can reach Krishna. Okay? So you should try to make, I always say there is no middle way, there is only one way, Prabhupada way, Acharya way. So please try to take benefit. And then Karuna Kurume Karuna Bharite Shanaka Shanatana Varnita Charite. Your glories are not uttered by ordinary people, they are uttered by who? Sanak and Sanatana. Sanak, Sanatana are the 4 sons of Brahma. I think some of you know. They glorify you. You are so exalted actually. So Radharani is a very exalted person. And we are having trip to Vrindavan, those who want to come to Vrindavan. There is, one is in the Diwali time, one is in November first week time, details are there. November first week also booking is almost over actually. Diwali trip is closed, we have done our booking, now you try. Now the bookings are almost. Then we also have, but meet Sridhara if anybody is interested. And then we have a trip next Sunday, 14, not this coming, next to that Sunday. We have a boat festival. All of you are welcome there. We will hire a big boat. It is a mini cruise boat. It is called Cruise and Dine. 200 people, there is a AC compartment in that. Very beautiful place. Okay, all of you are welcome. There are no charges. You can directly go. Those who are in Bangalore, you know there is a VRL go down in Bandar, opposite to them. We will be there. Or you can come here, you can come along with us if you are finding difficulty. 11 o'clock the boat will move. So you can't come late. If you come late, you'll miss the boat. Boat is in the ocean then. We can't help you. You have to come in time. Okay, we are helpless then. So you are welcome for that festival. Then in the Dashera holidays which are there, October 1st we are leaving to Melkote. Melkote is another beautiful place where Ramanujacharya, the great Acharya, done wonderful pastimes. There are beautiful temples of the Lord there, of Narasimha, worshipped by Prahlad. There is Chelulana, Narayana deities there, worshipped by Ramanujacharya. It has also a great history. And there is Srirangpatna, one of the famous places. So many people came to Srirangam. There is Antyaranga, there is Adiranga, Srirangpatna. We are all welcome to participate in that yatra. They are leaving on October 1st. We'll come back on October 5th morning. Because those are interested, take details from Sridhar. And then we have, after that, in the February month, we have trip to Mayapur. There is 1 week. All the devotees of ISKCON gathered from worldwide. In fact, today I booked my tickets because very cheap tickets were available. Today there is a deal by some airlines. I booked immediately. You see, instead of going 2 days, you can reach in few hours. Those who want, make your own effort. But details you can take from Sridhara. It's 1 week, February 21st to 28th. The last week of February, there is a parikrama in Vrindavan, in Mayapur rather. We go around all the pastimes of Lord Chaitanya. I was telling about Lord Chaitanya. We learn a lot. And you will be among association of so many devotees from around the world if you participate. It will be a great opportunity. Imagine 10,000 devotees from all around the world. Those who want to go by air, book now. It is very cheap, or look for some time. There are some tickets. More of.
నేను కొట్టే చదువు నారాయణది.
Yes, Chalo. Chalo. Then we sing this for some time and then directly we can sing Hare Krishna. Sorry, not waste time. Pradanda. Radhe Jaya Jaya Madhava.
Radhe Jaya Jaya Madhava
Radhe, just before I, don't, please stay for the end. Today we have the hard work of some devotees, Chappan Bhog feast offered to Radha Krishna. Radhe Jaya Jaya Madhava.
Radhe Jaya Jaya Madhava
Gokula Karuni Mandala Mahite.
Gokula Karuni Mandala Mahite.
Gokula Karuni Mandala Mahite.
Gokula Karuni Mandala Mahite.
Hare Jaya Jaya Madhava.
Radhe Jaya Jaya Madhava
Damodara Rarati Vardhana Veshe Hari Nishkuta Vindavite.
Damodara Rati Vardhana Veshe Hari Nishkuta Vindavite.
Damodara Rarati Vardhana Veshe Hari Nishkuta Vindavite.
Damodara Rati Vardhana Veshe Hari Nishkuta Vindavite.
Hare Jaya Jaya Madhava.
Radhe Jaya Jaya Madhava
Hare Jaya Jaya Madhava.
Radhe Jaya Jaya Madhava
Hare Jaya Jaya Madhava.
Radhe Jaya Jaya Madhava
Vishvanurarani Navashashi Lekhe Lalita Shaki Guna Kamita Vishake.
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 Hare Jaya Jaya Madhava.
Radhe Jaya Jaya Madhava
Hare Jaya Jaya Madhava.
Radhe Jaya Jaya Madhava
Hare Jaya Jaya Madhava.
Radhe Jaya Jaya
Karuna Guru Mani Karuna Marite Sanaka Sanatana Mani Tatarite. Karuna Guru Mani Karuna Marite Sanaka Sanatana Mani Tatarite. Karuna Guru Mani Karuna Marite Sanaka Sanatana Mani Tatarite. Karunam Guru Mani Karunam Hadite Sanaka Sanatana Mani Tatarite. Karunam Guru Mani Karunam Hadite Sanaka Sanatana Mani Tatarite. Hare Jaya Jaya Madhava. Hare Jaya जय जय माधव राधे जय जय माधव करुणा करो मारी करुणा मारी ते सनक सनातन वाणिता करके करुणा करो मारी करुणा मारी ते सनक सनातन वाणिता करके आहे जय जय माधव आहे जय जय आहे जय जय माधव 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 श्री प्रभुपाद की श्री राधा रानी की श्रीमती राधा रानी की